Looking for Egypt eVISA? Just few clicks, get your eVISA. No agents required.
Sign up with your email ID in the official website to apply Egypt visa. Select type of application, add applicant and travel details, add documents and review your information. Just pay the fee and submit your application. Receive your e-visa via email within few days.
Please find the official website to apply for Egypt eVISA. I'll take you through the different screens. Visit the Egypt eVISA official website and sign up with your email ID. You will get an email notification to verify your email ID. Post signing up, log in with your email ID. There you can see what is the fee for your type of e-visa you want to apply for. So you can start your new application where you have to select your type of visa and fill up all the details like traveling information, all the applicant information like passport details and the attachment of the passport, basic details of the traveler and the travel information as well. Then the host information. So basically three details you have to put. There's the traveling information, applicant information, and the host information. Then you just process the payment. After payment, you will be able to get an email notification for the payments processed. And post successful payment, you will get your e-visa within few days. You will get one email notification where you can see the visa is approved. It will be mentioned there. Along with that, you will get the complete e-visa in a PDF format in as attachment in that particular mail. So enjoy your Egypt trip.